Guys, see that white tube? When you put your tank away, always put a block of wood underneath it. Up. Okay. Then this one over here. This one you need to slide on and lock it with this thing. This is the brown one, like this. Okay, and this one is like this one, like this. Click. Okay. Then we have just two more. This one. Okay. Let's see. Yep. Then we lower the tank. Okay. Gently push a screwdriver underneath. Kijk. Okay. Then the other side of the moon. Okay. Up. So guys, the tank bolts need to be torqued at 12 Newton meters. So let's do that. And 12 Newton meters is here. Okay, now okay, torque. Okay, torqued. Now. So, there. And this one over there. So guys, this is yet another day. It's raining outside. Terrible weather, cold. But I got my stove on and the fan on top of it, blowing the warm air into my shed. So I would say grab a cup of coffee and enjoy. We're gonna put the Tupperware back on, and that's easy. Come on over and I'm gonna show you. Here we have the side panel. First we're gonna put the two wires. No. And that's easy. Black on black, green on white. It's English, huh? Then have a look. There we go. Okay. Over there. have to hook it in underneath that one, which we can lift up. There are two. Hop. Yes. How easy is this? That's the first thing. And then this one. Now we have to look. Over here comes a bolt, an Allen bolt 6 M6. Now okay. Not too tight for this moment. Then we got that little bolt with a big washer. Okay, it's over there. Okay. Tight, but not too tight. This one also. We have this one. On the bottom side is this slit, and it needs to get in there. In the middle, over there, we have this plastic, lock nut thing. Up, push it in, and then we have, let's see, okay, yes. Okay. Yes. Now we're going to the other side. So, same thing again. First, put the wires back on. We have a longer one and a shorter one. Yes. And then to that side, two hooks, rubber grommets are over there. This one a little bit up, and then okay, yes. Then 6mm bolt with the shoulder, the long shoulder, but there's only one 6mm bolt. Okay, we got the hidden one. Over here is the big one, is the the small bolt with a big washer, and it goes in here. You can't miss it. Okay, now tighten this one too. Up tight, but not too tight. Then we got this one that's going in with that, what is it, plastic locking thing. At the bottom is a piece You have to slide it in. Up. Okay. Yes. Over there is a hidden one. Yep, there he goes. Okay. So, tight, but not too tight. Okay. Yes. Okay. Then we go to the upper side. Easy too. With this one, you have a piece of plastic over here, and it needs to be in there. So carefully. Oh, yes. And then, okay, yes, there are two nuts, there and there, bolts, sorry. Okay. The other side one. Over there. Actually, it works better with a longer one. See? So, carefully, tight, but not too tight. This one. Tight, but not too tight. So, there is a plastic hook. Gently. Hop. Okay, this one, and this one. So, okay. So, yes. Then I took one out over there, which wasn't necessary. Yep. I'm gonna put that one back too. One is over here. I loosened one over here too. There. That was also not necessary. Tight, but not too tight. The one over here. Okay. And okay, this one. Yep. This one. Hop. Then we have this one. There is this grommet, and it needs to go in there. That's easy, I think. No. Yes. And over here is the bolt. Yes. Up. You have to slide in here, and this hooks up in here. Over that side it just went in. Huh? Lucky me. So, pop, pop. That is nice. Okay. Job done. So guys, this was my video. Was it difficult? Not at all. Can you do it? Absolutely sure. With my video and a few tools, you can do it yourself and save a lot of money. Well, and for now, see you the next time. Old Mechanic. Out.